Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this one, we're going to be talking about what exactly is programming. So programming is nothing more than giving instructions to a computer to execute, right? So you're giving instructions to the computer and it's executing those instructions. Someone once said that a computer is the dumbest thing ever because it does not function on its own, right? It cannot build itself, it cannot program itself. However, it is programmed to do things, right? So it is told to do things, right? And what you're thinking, even AI, right? Because now I know what you're thinking, but AI learns things on its own. Yes, it does, but it was programmed to do something. It was programmed to learn, right? So every single technology or every single technological a thing that you see has been programmed, right? Your laptop has been programmed, your phone, everything is all about programming. Okay, and what exactly is Java programming? Java basically, or what is Java? Java is a language, right? It's a programming language. Okay, I know what you're thinking, coming from what you see in the movies, we see ones and zeros. That is true. Computers communicate in ones and zeros, right? However, Java and other languages have been created for human beings to be able to better program computers because, let's face it, we are all human, right? So it's difficult for us to speak zeros and ones, right? So they came up with these languages so that we can be able to use them in our programming journey. Right? So something happens in the background where these instructions that we're giving to the computer, they are converted to the ones and zeros that the computer understands. Okay? So this is a programming language, and much like any other human language, any human language is governed by a system of rules, right? So when we're talking about human being languages, we're talking about a system of rules called grammar, right? In programming, we do not have grammar, we have syntax. Okay, so just know syntax and grammar is the same thing, right? So syntax governs the programming languages, while grammar governs the human languages. Okay. So Java has its own syntaxes, right? Much like how English has its own language and Spanish has its own language, Zulu has its own language, has its own set of rules. Sorry about that. They all have their own set of rules. So much like Java, Java has its own set of rules compared to other programming languages as well. Right? So how we write things in Java may not necessarily be exactly the same as how we write things in a different language.